Health problems. A health problem is a problem that affects someone's health. Illnesses and diseases cause health problems. An illness is unwell or unhealthy state of mind or infection. Diseases can often be passed from one person to another. There are some type of common health problems such as stomachache, sore eyes, headache, toothache, sore throat, cold, and cough. Stomachache. Stomachache or abdomen pain is pain that you feel anywhere between your chest and groin. This is often referred to as the stomach region or belly. Sore eye. Sore eye is the common name for conjunctivitis, the inflammation of the thin layer of tissue covering the front of the eye. It can be caused by bacterial, viruses, allergic reactions to smoke, pollen, dust, or chemicals in makeup or contact lenses. Headache. A headache is pain or discomfort in the head of face area. Types of headaches include migraine, tension, and cluster. Headache pain result from signal interacting among your brain, blood vessels, and surrounding nerves. Toothache. Toothache occurs from inflammation of the central portion of the tooth called pulp. The pulp contains nerve endings that are very sensitive to pain. Inflammation of the pulp, or pulpitus, may be caused by dental cavities, trauma, and infection. Sore throat. A sore throat is pain, scratchiness, or irritation of the throat that often worsens when you swallow. The most common cause of sore throat is viral infection, such as cold or the flu. The common cold is an infection of your nose, sinuses, throat, and windpipe. Cold. Colds spread easily, especially within homes, classrooms, and workplaces. Cough. A cough is your body's way responding when something irritates your throat or airways. An irritant stimulates nerves, then send a message to your brain. The brain then tells muscles in your chest and abdomen to push air out your lungs to force out the irritant. The best common ways to describe illness in English. Headache. I have a headache. I have a headache. I have a headache. Fever. I have a fever. I have a fever. I have a fever. Sore eye. I have a sore eyes. I have a sore eyes. I have a sore eyes. Cold. I catch a cold. I catch a cold. I catch a cold. I catch a cold. Earache. I have a earache. I have a earache. I have a earache. Stomachache. I have a stomachache. I have a stomachache. I have a stomachache.